Homemade donuts recipe, easy and delicious. Hey there, foodies! Welcome back to our multi-recipe and cookery channel. Today, we've got a treat that's sure to satisfy your sweet tooth, homemade donuts. They're soft, fluffy, and oh so delicious. So, let's dive into the recipe and make some mouth-watering donuts right at home. Before we start, let's gather all the ingredients you'll need for these irresistible homemade donuts. 2 1/4 cups all-purpose flour. Half cup granulated sugar. 1 packet, 2 1/4 of a teaspoon, active dry yeast. Half cup warm milk. 2 large eggs. 1/4 cup unsalted butter, softened. Half a teaspoon salt. Half a teaspoon vanilla extract. Oil for frying. Optional toppings, powdered sugar, chocolate glaze, rainbow sprinkles. Part 2 Dough preparation. Now that we have our ingredients ready, let's get started with making the dough for our delicious donuts. 1 in a bowl, combine warm milk, a pinch of sugar, and the active dry yeast. Give it a gentle stir and let it sit for about 5 minutes until it becomes frothy. 2 in a larger mixing bowl, add the softened butter and granulated sugar. Mix until it's creamy and well combined. 3 beat in the eggs, one at a time, and add the vanilla extract. Mix until everything is incorporated. 4 gradually add the flour and salt, alternating with the frothy yeast mixture. Mix well until the dough comes together. 5 Once the dough forms, knead it on a floured surface for about 5 to 7 minutes until it becomes smooth and elastic. 6 Place the dough in a greased bowl, cover it with a damp cloth, and let it rise in a warm place for about 1 to 1.5 hours or until it has doubled in size. Part 3 Shaping and frying. Our dough is ready and risen. Now, it's time to shape and fry these donuts to perfection. 1 Punch down the dough to release any air bubbles and place it on a floured surface. 2 Roll out the dough to about 1/2 inch thickness. Use a donut cutter or 2 different size circular cutters to cut out the donuts and their centers. 3 Place the shaped donuts on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper and let them rest for about 15 to 20 minutes to puff up a bit. 4 Heat the oil in a deep pot or fryer to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius. Carefully slide in the donuts and fry for about 1 to 2 minutes on each side, or until they're golden brown. 5 Remove the donuts from the oil and let them drain on a paper towel lined plate to get rid of excess oil. Part 4 Toppings and enjoying. Our homemade donuts are fried to perfection, and now it's time for the finishing touch, toppings. 1 For classic donuts, dust them with powdered sugar while they're still warm. Just give them a gentle shake to coat them evenly. 2 For a chocolate glaze, melt some chocolate chips and dip the donuts into the melted chocolate. Let them cool on a wire rack. 3 If you're feeling festive, sprinkle colorful rainbow sprinkles over the chocolate glaze for an extra fun touch. Ingredients and preparations methods are in the description box. And enjoy the sweet satisfaction of homemade goodness. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this recipe with your fellow donut enthusiasts. Until next time, happy cooking! Thank you!